Hey, quick question for you. Picture this, you're finally getting your dream side hustle off the ground. You've got the skills, the passion, and a killer website. But then you hit that wall. The dreaded payment wall. How do you actually get paid? And more specifically, if you're using Acuity scheduling to manage your appointments, can you even take deposits up front? I mean, think about it. You've got clients booking high-ticket packages, maybe a multi-session coaching program, or a luxurious spa day. You need to secure that commitment, right? You can't just rely on good faith and hope they show up. So, does Acuity play ball when it comes to deposits? Or are you left scrambling for another solution? That's what we're diving into today. Because let's be real, the payment process, especially deposits, can make or break your business. It's not just about getting paid. It's about protecting your time, minimizing no-shows, and ensuring you have the cash flow to keep things running smoothly. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty of Acuity, let's take a step back. Why are deposits even a big deal? Well, imagine you're a freelance photographer. You've booked a full-day wedding shoot. You've blocked out your entire schedule, prepped your equipment, and maybe even hired an assistant. Then, the day before, the client cancels. Boom! Lost income, wasted time, a serious headache. A deposit, even a small one, acts as a commitment. It shows the client is serious and provides you with a safety net. It also allows you to cover initial expenses like materials or travel. Or, let's say you're a personal trainer offering a 12-week program. You invest time in creating personalized workout plans and meal guides. You need to know that your clients are committed to the process. A deposit secures their spot and ensures they're invested in their own success. It's a win-win. So we've established why deposits are crucial. But how does this relate to Acuity scheduling? Acuity, for those who might not know, is a powerful online scheduling tool. It allows clients to book appointments, pay for services, and manage their own schedules. It's a favorite among coaches, consultants, therapists, and pretty much anyone who relies on appointments. Now, here's where things get interesting. Acuity does allow you to take payments. But the question is, how flexible is it when it comes to deposits? Can you set specific deposit amounts? Can you customize the deposit process? And how does it integrate with payment processors like Stripe or PayPal? Let's break it down. Acuity integrates seamlessly with Stripe, Square, and PayPal. These are the big players in the online payment world. This integration is essential because it allows you to process payments directly through your scheduling platform. You don't have to juggle multiple systems or manually track payments. Now, for the million-dollar question, deposits. Yes, Acuity allows you to take deposits. You can configure your payment settings to require a deposit at the time of booking. This is a game-changer for businesses that want to secure their bookings and protect their revenue. Here's how it works. You can set a fixed deposit amount or a percentage of the total service cost. This gives you flexibility in how you structure your pricing and deposit requirements. For example, you might require a 50% deposit for a high-value service or a smaller fixed deposit for a consultation. The setup is relatively straightforward. You'll need to connect your Acuity account to your chosen payment processor. Once that's done, you can configure your payment settings for each service type. You can specify whether a deposit is required, the deposit amount, and any other relevant payment details. But, and this is a crucial point, the exact deposit functionality can vary slightly depending on how you've set up your services and packages. If you're offering recurring appointments or subscription-based services, the deposit process might look a little different. For instance, if you're offering a package of multiple sessions, you can choose to collect the full payment upfront or a deposit for the first session. You can also set up payment plans which allow clients to pay in installments. Another important aspect to consider is your cancellation policy. Acuity allows you to create custom cancellation policies, which can be integrated with your deposit settings. This means you can specify how much of the deposit is refundable if a client cancels within a certain time frame. This is where you can really tailor your booking experience. You can create a policy that protects your time and revenue while also being fair to your clients. For example, you might offer a full refund if a client cancels 24 hours in advance, or a partial refund if they cancel within a shorter time frame. Now, let's talk about the client experience. When a client books an appointment through Acuity, They'll see the deposit requirement during the booking process. They'll be prompted to pay the deposit using their chosen payment method. This seamless integration ensures a smooth and professional booking experience. But here's a tip. Make sure your deposit policy is clearly communicated to your clients. You can include it in your service descriptions, your booking confirmation emails, and your website's FAQ section. Transparency is key to building trust and avoiding misunderstandings. Another thing to think about is how you handle refunds. Acuity allows you to issue refunds directly through the platform. This makes it easy to manage cancellations and refunds, and it ensures that your clients receive their money back promptly. Now, let's address some common concerns. Some people worry about the fees associated with online payments. It's true that payment processors like Stripe and PayPal charge transaction fees. However, these fees are typically a small percentage of the total transaction amount. And the convenience and security of online payments often outweigh the costs. Another concern is security. People want to know that their payment information is safe. Acuity and its integrated payment processors use industry-standard security measures to protect sensitive data. This includes encryption and fraud prevention tools. So, in summary, Acuity scheduling does allow you to take deposits. You can configure your payment settings to require a deposit at the time of booking, and you can customize the deposit amount and cancellation policy. This gives you the flexibility to manage your payments and protect your revenue. But, like any tool, it's important to understand the nuances and customize it to fit your specific needs. Take the time to explore the payment settings, experiment with different deposit amounts, and create a cancellation policy that works for your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.